What's going on, guys? It's Danny, Slow Restoration. As you can see, we're in the Turbo GMC, and we do have the car trailer hooked up. We're on our way to pick up something. We'll find out what it is when we get there. Look at that. It's a circus. Might have to hit that on the way back. It's Friday. They should be up and running by then. Alright, guys, we're pulling up here. You can probably see where we're going. Let's figure out what we're gonna do here, and I have no idea where I'm pulling. Trans Am, Corvette, Bruce, the van, the four-wheeler, the 450. All right, Steve's hooking up to the Bruce, so it looks like we might be taking it.
Oh, you can have it.
Yeah, I can have it.
It's been a little bit of a headache lately.
Steve's given up already.
Yeah, definitely.
Let's get it loaded up.
Get him back together.
I think he's gonna clear the... There's a hitch he lost. That actually works pretty good.
It rolled really, really well.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, I thought it was gonna be a little different than that, but it actually rolled really, really well.
The steering went the wrong way, but... Back your way a little bit. There we go. Yeah, it's just gonna fit. All right, Vince, what are you doing here?
What? I was checking out the engine.
You are the engine.
Looks good.
All right, we're locked and loaded. We have 15 straps holding this thing together and on the trailer. Let's get it home. As you can see, we made it home. We did have to make a stop and pull the back bumper cover off because it was a little loose. Steve didn't want that flying off because it made the car look good, he said. But we did make it in one piece. Steve and Vince will be here shortly, so let's get situated and get this thing unloaded. All right, let's interrupt this party here. I will lift you. We good? Good? I can't really see it. Vince, you want to drive? Got it! Yeah, it's definitely open. Well, we're changing that anyway.
Yeah. Slow it down. Stop it.
Forward?
Kind of there.
Take it your way, Steve.
That one.
Yep. All right, back the other way. That's good. Let me stop this door.
Over there.
All right, Bruce is in the shop. Steve is in the shop.
We are.
Vince is somewhere.
He's having a heart attack.
How are you guys doing? Welcome to my shop. If you guys need any help, get someone else to do it.
That's definitely his theory.
That is definitely his theory. He comes up to my house and like, Vince. Actually, Vince gives me a list of things. He's like, we're gonna do this, this, and this. He's like, hey, do you want to go eat? I'm like, well, yeah, I've been working, so yeah, I'm a little hungry. Let's go eat. And then nothing is accomplished.
And then I call you all week, like, what's done?
Yeah. But we got the Bruce here, and Danny, you got some parts for us.
I do.
You do.
I do. I got a set of axles with brakes ready to go in this thing. Should bolt right in. And it's going to magnify this build a lot.
A lot.
So you're going to be brakes on it. We actually have a 4-inch lift for you too.
Oh boy.
4-inch.
I didn't disclose that to you guys yet, but we are actually getting a 4-inch lift also. Now, if you think that this is big now,
Right.
we're going to be adding to it. If you think we're going to stay with the 35s,
No.
you're obviously losing your mind. This is just something to roll around on. Probably drive it on the street with these wheels and tires, but they're not going to stay. Not when we get to the mud bog and the place that we want to go. We're going big.
I'm thinking at least 40, maybe 44.
I would ideally like to put a 44-inch bogger on it.
Yeah.
But they're kind of pricey, so.
They are
then
pricey.
Then I look at my budget, I'm like, a 37 wouldn't be bad.
Bruce
Well-
and RJ have so much in common. Only two lugs.
Yeah, they're
Only
both
two
black.
lugs on each wheel. Yeah.
They're both black and they have 2 lugs on.
Yeah,
Other than that, nothing.
No, tons in common. I'm a 1-ton. Oh, that's right.
Oh.
Ooh.
That was a dig.
I mean,
That was
if
a dig.
Steve wants to spend the money, this can be a 1-ton.
Yeah, but see, here's the difference. He actually weighs 200 pounds heavier than I do, so I don't need a 1-ton because I got a nice
Steve,
physique.
I'm 200 even.
All right, enough. Let's get this thing in the air. Enough goofing off.
All right, what's your plan, Vince?
Oh, well, see, what I was thinking of doing is... Got it?
Gone and gone.
Yeah, that's... I like that idea.
I think he needs a 15 millimeter.
That's
He
what I
was
said,
screaming 15,
I
yeah.
need I'm not sure if that fits, but
I don't know what he's getting with a 15 where we're going, but I'm pretty sure nothing is going to be a 15.
I'm going with this as a 15.
That is probably a
20.
21.
It's a
20.
it's
20?
a 77, so it's standard, whatever it is. So it's probably like,
78.
yeah,
It's 20?
20. All right, new plan. We're pulling it off the frame and doing a frame off.
I'm just pulling off the lip.
All right, we have our new old rears. As you can see, they're drum to drum. These have 342 gears in. It appears that they had 308s, so it's a slight improvement. He runs in low range with 40s. It might turn them.
Might be able to turn him. If not, we got Huron speed behind us.
And we have our front differential here too. Again, it's got good rotors, pads, calipers, everything's there.
Just because it's kind of a halfway point, and we're going to call it about 35 inches to the bottom of the door jam.
This is what we're doing. Right here. Is that level?
So we're going to
That's
call it
level.
31. We'll call it 31, but we'll go by my measurement so I don't have to do this crap later and do 35.
So we're
it's
just going to make up
31,
numbers. 35 is your weird.
and then we're going to come in here and we're going to go to the frame. We
Unbelievable.
might as well, just because we always want to know what the frame clearance is. And we're gonna call that right around 20 and a half intro.
20 and a half. 21 half.
All right, and then on the door here, we're gonna go 35. Just gonna go 35 just right on the door. We ain't scared.
Can you see that?
Yeah, if not, we'll know. We'll know 35, that's easy.
All right.
Just under 3 feet at the door there. I'm excited.
All right, just like that, the back's out. That took what, 5 minutes?
My back is, I don't know if I would call that just like that. But we are, the rear axle is gonna stay intact, obviously, on the ground because next to Vince over here, flow restoration. Dirty hands, dirty hands, I'm doing it all.
All right, so every one of these bolts was completely frozen. It took all 3 of us to get them out.
Definitely.
A torch, a hammer, and a pry bar.
I don't think there was any blood yet, but there was a lot of sweat and tears.
I never took my gloves off, so I'm sure there's
yeah,
some.
there's some blood underneath. Yeah.
All right, let's get this out of the way. And just like that, the front axle is out. That took what, 5 minutes?
But that's not a big deal. We can source hardware.
Oh, all right.
That's all you get. 2 seconds of time lapse. Holler at your boy.
Ride. I appreciate the ride, but
You satisfied now?
I don't want to get out.
You want to buy it?